Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Freigh. It says final days Labor Day sale. So 3 days only. Friday, actually 2 more days because this we only got today Saturday and tomorrow Sunday. So we got Saturday and Sunday 7 and 8. Alright, we got the first coupon here. It says super coupon, final days, Labor Day sale, 20% off. You could use this through Sunday 9/8, 2019. Then you got this free coupon here for this light. Great light there, just to have all the way around the house and in each vehicle. This is a great item here. It is the same price, so it doesn't matter if you buy it with this coupon or you buy it on the parking lot sale. You got single speed multi-function power tool, $13.99. Definitely a nice little power tool, a multi-tool. And it is 4.5 stars. You got a 5,000 lumens LED hanging shop light, $19.99. Had nothing but good reviews on these, especially for $20. Great deal there. You got a rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack, $89.99. It's a great. These are all great jacks, guys. Pretty much the Pittsburgh Series 1, which is the gray one, the older one. It's been a great jack. Had no complaints. A lot of people love them. You know, a lot of people upgraded to the Daytonas, which is the green, the black, and the orange. But this is pretty low price, so it's still on the lower end. And still a great jack there for $89, $89.99. You got the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $199.99. This item, it is cheaper on the parking lot sale. It's $189.99. I do have a coupon for these 3 colors, the blue, black, and red, for $169.99. If you guys want that, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and I can leave you the video where I posted that coupon. You got 24 feet, 18 bulb, 12 socket outdoor linkable string lights, $19.99. Great deal there. 7-amp electric pulse saw, $59.99. I do have this. Works real good. If you need replacement chains, you could always go to Amazon.com and just purchase a replacement chain for this. You got 40 by 72 moving blanket, $3.99. This, I believe it's on sale, on the parking lot sale, for $239 or $439.99. So if you guys want to get that, wait for the October 11, 12, and 13 for the parking lot sale. It is $439.99. So it is $10 cheaper. 10 by 10 pop-up canopy, $39.99. Not the best canopy. There's a lot out there. For just, well, not really, a little bit more than that, but a lot better quality. But if you need something cheap and you just want to, use it a few times here and there, this is going to work for you. 80-piece rotary toolkit, $6.99. HVLP gravity feed spray gun, $9.99. So this is a great gun, especially for that price. Definitely worth it. 3-gallon 100 psi oil free. This compressors are great for something like this, painting, or shooting a couple nails with the nail gun. That's fine. But if you're gonna be running power tools, you need something a lot bigger than this. Definitely not for power tools. These are great. Usually we see a free coupon. I haven't seen a coupon for that lately, but as soon as something pops up, I will post it. You got the 390 lumens magnetic slim bar LED work light, $24.99. This it is on the parking lot sale. It's going to be $19.99. So let you guys know, this does work real good. I have it. I've been having mine for a long time. Use it for work. Use it for my DIY projects at home. Even for the grill, if you're grilling at night, just stick it beside the grill on the top, and you got a light there, a grill light. That's what I use it for. You got the 20 volt lithium half an inch compact drill driver kit, $59.99. These are definitely great for the DIYs. If you do a lot of projects as a DIY, these are great. Hercules is even better than this. Hercules, I would say it's DIY contractor grade. Definitely like my Hercules tools, and I do love my Bauer tools. They work pretty good. The only bad things about this is the charger. I wouldn't recommend leaving the batteries overnight, or as soon as they're done, make sure you take them out at the charger. It's okay to leave them there a little bit more than when they're charged, but don't leave them overnight or a day or 2 days, because they will go bad. I did buy a tool, half an inch impact wrench, and I can link the video up above if you guys want to see the video. But yeah, I guess one of the reasons why they sold it is because they blew up the battery. They left it over the weekend. So 4.5 angle grinder, $9.99. This is great to have. If you have a shop, make sure you have 3 or 4 of those. Make sure you have a cutting disc, a grinding disc, and you can have all kinds of discs in there, one on each, and you won't have to be switching blades or discs. Airless paint sprayer kit, $169.99. Got the 25 electric winch with remote, $49.99. This is a real small one. It's basically for the ATVs. I wouldn't put this on the car, definitely not. A 40 piece, 1/4 and 3/8 drive. Guys, this is a little great tool. If you got a teenage son or something, or a nephew that you want to start him up with his first tools, there you go. Fix his bike or whatnot. Or if you want to just have this on the truck as a spare, as an emergency kit, or if somebody asks you for a tool, make sure that way you make sure your good tools are not getting loose and out there. Anyways, 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $4.99. Heavy duty batteries, would not recommend these to buy them. To get them free, they're okay. You can use them on your remote controls on TVs, flashlights, stuff like that. But other than that, I wouldn't buy that. I would definitely buy the blue ones though. The ones are nice, are real good. 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun, under $10. Great gun there. It does heat up. 3-ton heavy duty steel jack stands, $18.99. I believe on the parking lot sale they're going to be $17.99, so it's $1 off. So if you want to save $1, wait for that parking lot sale. If not, then that's fine. Trigger spray nozzle. I gotta get myself another one of these. I have over a year with mine. Mine's been beat up sitting on the sun every day, all day. So the spring's getting a little weak there, and I gotta replace it. $3.99. It's pretty much a good deal there. 9-piece fully polished combination wrench, $5.99. Remember, guys, any Pittsburgh Pro or Pittsburgh brand, or any of these Doyle, Quinn, any of those brands are guaranteed for the stores, like lifetime guaranteed. So if you break one of these, you break a plier, a Quinn plier, or a Pittsburgh, all you have to do is just take it back and walk out with the new one. That's all. 3-in-1 portable power pack, $49.99. Got some mechanics gloves, $4.99. 29-piece titanium drill bit set, $10.99. A 210 50 amp 12-volt battery charger, engine starter, $29.99. These are good for emergencies. I wouldn't put a heavy load on these, but these are great, just to have them on the back of the truck in case you need to, carry something around. 4-piece 1x15 ratcheting tie downs, $6.99. These are great, guys. 4-channel wireless surveillance systems with 2 cameras. Harbor Freight did upgraded all their, camera systems, and now you can view them on your smartphone or tablet and connect this to the internet, and pretty much it's a good thing. It's a good product. Let's see here. This is a great deal too. Actually, in the parking lot, so it's more expensive. So this is a great coupon if you guys need this. It's a tilting flat panel TV mount. This is up to 70 inches. So for the bigger TVs, this is great, especially for $14.99. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.